So what's going to be your message so people learn where get for listen or watch this program?
The message to people where they watch this program, at least an EDSA, now all accountable and responsible for the thing that we apply this and where they pull we host the way they born. I will go do that day. If not, then electrify we host. Then they forgive we paper. We go show say now then electrify this host. So anything happen, we go pull we will not see a lights time born here. Don't go pay for it.
Mr. Williams, what are your view about the light system in the country right now?
So right now the light system is very poor. Poor right now. So because like we show our business people, it affects the business. Because we know the lights will depend on. Because like we show they sell water, solve the drink. But right now the lights they come, we're able to do business. And it affects we great. Yeah, because they make with the strain. Because of these lights now they're able to take care of the family, the picking. But see, the lights now they can, it affects we great.
So how it affects you? The lights they come or they come? How it affects you?
Because the lights they come after 5 minutes and go until then go back 2 minutes and go. Though at times they keep well appliances them back. Like hamburger, freezer, television, so many appliances, even the bulb they blow off. You don't see any lights and poor right now the lights, poor, very poor.
Auntie Amatsu, what's your view about the light system in the country?
Well, the light system is poor. Because me when I made the light system, I don't put all my assets there off. I don't understand what's the problem. The lights where they involve in the lights right now, in the light assets. Any way put off on in the bone.
So what do you think say we need for those as Sierra Leoneans for now able to enjoy the lights in our country?
Well, it left to the big one day because me I don't understand. Me na cookie as I sell. I don't sabi about light business.
So you get any message you go want send to people that will get for listen or watch this program?
Well, me I just want let them wait and call the lights because 2 lights I don't they leave. We get for sell cold water. Right now 2 weeks this we not able to sell cold water. We get for sell cold water. So they are with the big papa government. They are let's see to we to the lights. If they say go bring lights for we that this country.
Mr. Koromat, today we program where they talk about we light business in our country. I go want to let you tell viewers what's in your own view about the light system in our country presently.
Well, the light is very bad, especially like we in a mountain court here, especially a mountain court here, Kendall Street. Light they go for the 4, 5, 6 times for the net, and that don't give lots of damage. Like me, so my television they come on safe inside anyway. My television they come on. Light is very bad. You don't do one with the bad all. Before my ride don't go. Before my ride don't go. See, so the light is very bad. Like,
so you can tell viewers what do you think say they cause this poor lights business? You can tell viewers what thing they cause this.
Well, some people then say the machine will be in the work. Now not the work, so now can some the supply for us and the rationer. The machine will be in the work, will be they get the light full, get a problem, then they pay maintenance. That now what is some people then talk. Now the one way they give the fire, where they can some, they able to give all sides, so that made the lights dull. Then some they say, then the maintenance some side there was a problem then they, and so some people then say.
All right, so what's in your own view now? What's in your own view?
Well, especially election on here, the light business na so no more you do go is very bad, and to me it's very bad. It's very bad. The light is very bad. Because election time this, then tomorrow they be Independence Day, so it's very bad anyway. Very bad. Even people if people go for camp, they can't begin see light they go, they come, they go, they can't. Then go see we start them put salon now, so salon day no more. At the same side no more the country day,
So what do you think say we for do as Sierra Leoneans for now able to get a stable light?
Well, like who the layman they will not be able to get any way for there the light come, but the one they wouldn't did before, Papa government able put that measure in place, they able to make light business steady, they able to do any other thing for let the light business steady, and they able to do it. Now wickedness somebody, but they able to do it anyway. They able to do it. The government able to do it. They able to steady the light. They will do it. I believe that if they want steady light, somebody they steady the light. But then get generator then at the house. We not get generator now. House is there. So anyway, if you get generator, say the fuel down there. So but then you able to do and they able to make lights they all over and they steady back. But I don't know what's happening. All time lights go and on, go and come, go and come, go and come, go and come. And that's not the problem.
So what's going to be your last message to viewers that we get for listening or watch this program?
Well, the last message I give to the viewer there all over the world The one that we at least they able to talk to the president, he listing. Do you have made them talk to Papa government and in team? May they able adjust this light in business. May they able maintenance outside and send the maintenance. Let this light are able steady.